So I finally finished my Redbird this morning. Been busting my butt on it for what seems like weeks on end now. But here it is, a little video of it in my driveway, just taxiing around while I was doing a systems check on everything in the FPV. Seems to be nice and stable on the ground, and seems to have good power and acceleration, so guess I'm pretty happy with it. So I did not finish it yesterday in time for the STEM event, so I didn't come to the museum because nothing was flying. But anyway, that's it. So just sharing. All right, bye.